I'm reviewing ThinkGizmos dump truck. Now this is friction powered, which I prefer for younger children because they are used to thinking that you push it forward to go forward instead of most of the ones where you have to pull back and then it will go forward. So it makes it a lot easier for them to understand. So you literally push it forward and the momentum will keep it driving. Now it has this little button here and that's the release. And you push this to have the dump truck empty the bed of it. And you can dump it out. This already has batteries that are inside of it, so it is included. There's a little button on the side and it'll light it up. So I'm just going to give it a little push. And that was a very light push. Now I'm going to do a harder push. I hope that this gives you a better idea of their product. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.